Hi, I'm Norval and I'm from CloudNC. CloudNC is a manufacturing technology company. We want to make it easier for the world to manufacture everything. At the moment, we make it easier for the world to manufacture this. This is a component. It was made in a CNC machine. CNC machines are those big kind of boxes that you see in factories where you make metal components that comprise everything in the world, from planes to cars to oil and gas infrastructure to even molding stuff, so like where you get your food from. This isn't easy to make. This requires skilled labor. It requires someone programming a CNC machine. To make this component might take about 6 hours to program. There's not enough people to program CNC machines anymore. It's a difficult skill and people are aging out of the industry. What we do is we develop an AI that makes it much easier for people to actually create these kind of components. CloudNC's main product is CAM Assist. What CAM Assist does is it's a plugin for CAM software that basically automates how easy it is to make a toolpath for this kind of component. So you're accelerating the creation of this from a period of like hours to even days for really complex stuff, down to a single click of the button, and how to make this component will be in your CAM software in a couple of minutes. That's kind of insane. It's like nothing else like this exists on the market. It's the culmination of 8-9 years of really, really difficult algorithm crunching, top technical stuff. And we've basically been able to put into a computer the understanding of how the machining environment works. Machining is really difficult. It's hot, gets loud, gets sticky, and it's really expensive if you make a mistake. So this technology has to be on point. We're really proud of what we've created. We launched it last June for 3-axis components. It's now able to do 3+2 axis, so that includes an element of rotation, which increases the complexity of what we can do even more. And this week at MACH, we've actually announced a new module for CAM Assist, which means that it also automatically now sets feeds and speeds for the CNC machining process as well. Nothing else like that exists either. This is all within your existing CAM program, and it substantially increases what a single person is able to do in a machining environment. It's a step change in productivity. Why does this technology matter? If you're a machinist, it matters because it can save you money and make you more productive. It can make your machine shop way, way more efficient because you don't have to waste time programming components or resetting or doing lots of boring, busy work. You can set the AI to do that, and you can get busy with what you do best, which is actually the difficult stuff of machining. What that matters for the world, though, is even more important because if you extrapolate that across the sector, what that means is maybe we don't have to export everything to China or India. Maybe we can bring reshoring back. Maybe we can make machining more efficient, more productive. Maybe we can grow a domestic manufacturing sector in the UK or the US. That's really important, and that's why CloudNC exists. We've had an amazing couple of days at MACH. We've met existing customers who have come over and told us how much they're enjoying using CAM Assist and our technology. We've met new customers who say they can't wait to get started using it. And we've met other potential partners that really want to integrate our technology with what they're doing. This is a great conference. It really does bring the heart of the UK manufacturing machining sector to your booth, essentially. So we've had so many great conversations, and we can't wait to come back.